Hello everyone, myself Tanvi Patel, working as Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Subject is Theory of Computation and unit number 5 is Turing Machine. So, Turing Machine is an example of computing machine. It is more powerful than finite state machine and push down automata. This machine, that is Turing machine, is a writing machine which it can modify its own input symbols. So Turing machine is capable of performing computations on input and producing a new result. Now finite state machine works in a row by giving input and push down automata works by giving string into a state. Now here Turing machine works in a tape. So a tape is a sequence of infinite symbols. It is a infinite sequence. Here in figure you can see that the tape is being drawn over here and the tape head is being described, where the tape alphabets can be sigma equal to 0, 1, A, B, X, Z0. This can be the tape alphabets. Here the blank symbol is a special symbol. Blank does not belongs to sigma because the blank is a special symbol used to fill the infinite tapes. Now the operations on the tape are: first is the read or scan symbols below the tape head. Second, update or write a symbol below the tape head. Third one, move the tape head one step left. And fourth is the move the tape head one step right. Now there are two final states in Turing machine. First one is the accept state and the second one is the reject state. And computation can either be in three states, that is halt and accept state, second halt and reject state, and third is the loop, that is the machine fails to halt. Three computation can be taken place in Turing machine and two final states are there in Turing machine. So now the formal definition of Turing machine is: a Turing machine can be defined as a set of 7 tuples, that is Q, non-empty set of states, then sigma, non-empty set of symbols, then tau, that is non-empty set of tape symbols, then delta, that is transition function, Q0, that is initial state, B is the blank symbols, and F is the set of final state, that is accept and reject. Now a transition in Turing machine is written as delta Q0, A equal to Q1, B, R, that is, which implies when in state Q0 and scanning symbol is A, the machine will either state Q1 will enter Q1, it will rewrite A as X and move to the right cell. Next, movement of read-write head is given by L, R or N, where L equal to move to left cell, R move to right cell, and N equal to remain in the current cell, that is no movement. Now here the example of is given: design a Turing machine which recognize language L equal to 0, 1 star 0. Next is design a Turing machine which recognize language L equal to A power of n, B power of n. So for this the algorithm is there, that means the steps are: first change A to X, then move right to first B, if no B then reject it, then third step is change B to Y, then move left to the leftmost A. Repeat the above steps until no more A are being found. Make sure no more B remains in the tape. So this is the algorithm for designing A power of n, B power of n. Now we are going to solve this example. So the language is a power of n, b power of n. Here the tape is being drawn. A power of n, b power of n means what? Equal number of a's followed by equal number of b's. So the number of a's and b's should be equal. Then only the Turing machine will accept. Now the step is read write head moves in both direction, either in left or right in the Turing machine. So the read write head in the tape will move either in the left direction or in the right direction. Left or right, it can move on the both sides. Now designing a machine, we are replacing a with x and b with y. Now moving on the transition diagram, first from transition A, convert A to x and move right. So in the tape we can see that we are converting A to x and moving in the right direction. By moving in the right direction, we can see that there are number of a's and number of b's. So we are skipping these a's, and from b to c we are converting b to y and moving in the left direction. Why we are moving in the left direction? Because there are number of a's which are remaining in the tape. So converting b to y and moving left. After that putting self loop for remaining number of a transitions on b. Why we are putting number of a transitions self loop on b? Because there are remaining number of a's in the tape. After that, moving forward, putting self loop for remaining a and moving left. From C state, the x transition is drawn because we have replaced a with x and moving to the right. So we are replacing x with x and we are moving right because the number of a's and b's are remaining in the tape. So from C to A, x is being replaced. Now the same condition is being repeated till the a raised to n and b raised to n is being completed and ends up to blank. Now the a and b transitions are being completed. So from A we are moving to D state because we are replacing y with y and moving to right, because the number of b's which we have replaced with y, they are being completed and we have moved to the blank state. Now from D, the blank state is being replaced with blank and moving to left direction or right direction, and the state is being accepted. So checking till the blank transition and the string is being accepted. So this is the transition diagram of a raised to n, b raised to n Turing machine. Now same as language is equal to 0 raised to n, 1 raised to n, that is same as a raised to n and b raised to n. This is shown over here. Now the next Turing machine is language equal to a raised to n, b raised to n and c raised to n. See, we have done the Turing machine of a raised to n and b raised to n, in which the states were a, b, c, d and accepted. Now for a raised to n, b raised to n and c raised to n, the states will be a, b, c, d, e and accepted, because c is also there. So number of a, b and c all will be same, and we are replacing a with x, b with y and c with z. So same will be performed. This was the Turing machine for a raised to n, b raised to n and c raised to n. Now next is the Turing machine which recognize palindrome as a string. So the palindrome example is a, b, double a, b, a. Those strings which are same from left side also and right side also, that is palindrome, which is shown over here. So this was the Turing machine. Thank you.